Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine and Devilish States, Chapter 16, Shloka 1. The Blessed Lord said, fearlessness, purity of heart, steadfastness in the yoga of knowledge, almsgiving, control of the senses, sacrifice, study of the Shastras, and straightforwardness.
Chapter 16, Shloka 1. Shri Bhagavanuvacha Abhayam Sattva Samshuddhihi Jnana Yoga Vyavastitihi Danam Damascha Yajnascha Swadhyayastapa Arjavam.
Chapter 16, Shloka 1. The chapter begins with the enumerating the qualities of a divinely good man. Fearlessness. Fear is generated in one only when one is in a field which is clouded by ignorance. Where there is knowledge, there is fearlessness, purity of heart. External discipline cannot provide the positive dynamism essential for moral living. Krishna is not satisfied by a tame generation of passive goodness. He wants men to be virtuous with honesty of intentions and purity of motives. Steadfastness in devotion to knowledge. Devotion to knowledge is the positive way to persuade the mind to leave all its low temptations. A mind that is awakened to the serener joys of the self naturally, therefore, hangs on to sensuous objects and their fleeting joys. Charity, restraint of the senses, and sacrifice. Charity comes from a sense of abundance. Charity springs only from a sense of oneness in us. Oneness between the giver and the recipient. It is born out of a capacity to restrain one's instincts of acquisition and aggrandizement and to replace them with the spirit of sacrifice. And it consists in sharing with others the objects of the world that one possesses. Without this, the discovery of truth is merely a dream. Sacrifice. Without the spirit of sacrifice, the control of the senses is not possible, and so the spiritual experience of the self is impossible. Study of the scriptures. This provides the necessary inspiration to live the divine life in our day-to-day existence. It is not merely an intellectual appreciation, but to observe, analyze, and realize the truth of what he is studying within his own life. Regular studies coupled with regular practice will give us the courage to live in self-control of the sense organs, for steadiness in meditation, for realizing the highest. Asceticism, all self-denials at the body level to reduce the indulgences in the world to save energy within, and application of the energy to self development are called tapas, uprighteousness, unity in thought, speech, and action, crookedness in thought, emotion, and conduct is destructive and creates a split in the personality and robs all glow of efficiency. Practice of the above values are a preparation for a fuller unfolding of the divine contents in the bosom of man. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.